I've come so far away from home. There's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I'll keep pushing, never slow down. A big blue sky, a pocket of dreams, a head full of hopes, possibilities. I'm taking a chance to reach for the stars, for the stars. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger. No walls they build can stop me now. Let's keep chasing the sun, do what can be done. Let's go beyond, push the limits, take flight. We'll break through the sky and go beyond the stars. With every step we take, we'll lead the way. These walls, we're breaking them down, and we'll leave them all in the dust. New horizons waiting for us, because we were made to go beyond. I won't forget where I came from. I'll use my past to build my future. Keep moving forwards, go beyond what they thought possible. If I
Yung kahit na, ayan, sige, please let's have them with their flowers muna. So habang nagpe-perform kayo kanina, di ba, talagang perfect ang mga
Turuan niyo sila para kayo yung bodybuilder. Thank you so much once again, of course, to you, Peeps, our Freetown World Hip-Hop Dance Champions. Sila po yung kasama kanina sa flash mob. And sila rin ang punong-abala sa tatlong araw na ito. Shout
Baby got action, ambition, I'm more than machine. Baby got trip, got the thrill, yeah.
with sunset. Very beautiful! Diba? Tanungin natin ang parang ano to, first reaction video talaga. Pero ang tatanungin natin, si Ash and si Belle. Ash and Belle, what can you say dun sa never before seen na Kai X concept film?
Napaganda